I know a lot about dealing drugs. I'm not going to say I previously dealt drugs, but let's just say I know a lot about dealing drugs. And the problem with dealing drugs is as follows. It's not a stable income, right? So let's say let's give it really simple math. Let's say you got 20 keys.
He read a book about this.
Yeah. Let's say you have 20 keys. Let's say for each kilo you move, you make 10 G's, right? So that's 200 grand. Let's say let's say that's 200 grand, right? But let's say the kilo of coke costs you 100, right? So it costs you 100, you sell it for 110. 20 kilos, you make 200 grand in a month. 1 month, everything goes smooth, everything goes well, fine. The month afterwards, there's a police bust. One of your runners gets caught, gets arrested, or they stop the car, or you get robbed, which is a big problem with drug dealers because you can't go to the police, and you lose 2 kilos. Now you've lost all of your profit from the last month, right? All of it. Or you have to sell every single kilo you have left for free just to pay off the debt to the guy above you. So even though you made 200 grand month one, you could easily be 400 grand in debt the next month. So it's very difficult. So a lot of these drug dealers, they feel like they're making money, but all in all, if you were to average it out across a year, it ain't worth it. There is no point in selling drugs nowadays. I cannot express enough. I'm the man who knows everything about making money, right? I'm the guy who owns Hustlers University. And I'm telling you that selling drugs is absolutely not worth it because there are so many easier ways to make money online now. There's so many ways to make money that don't risk your freedom.